In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign team members to tasks in Wrike. Wrike is a versatile project management tool that's favored by many teams for its ease of use and efficiency. Let's dive into this process and make task assignments simple and swift for you and your team. First, start by logging into your Wrike account. Once you're on the main dashboard, go ahead and navigate to the section labeled Personal. This feature in Wrike allows you to access your own personal workspace where you can manage and organize tasks efficiently. When you click on Personal, you gain access to various folders and projects you may have set up. Next, within this personal workspace, identify the specific project you want to work on. Click on Project to view all the tasks and details associated with it. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for making any edits or updates to your tasks. This view should give you a comprehensive list of tasks under this project along with their current statuses. Now, locate the particular task you wish to assign. Click on Task to open it. In the task view, you can see all pertinent details such as descriptions, due dates, and current team assignments. This is where the magic happens, as you're now ready to make assignments and deadlines clear. Spot the section that says Empty. This area usually indicates the field where an assignee's name will go. Click on this empty space to reveal a drop-down list of team members available for assignment. This feature is helpful because it allows you to quickly find a team member without needing to remember exact spellings or usernames. Select the name of the team member you'd like to assign the task to. If your team is organized into groups or roles, using this method lets you quickly delegate responsibilities based on capability and availability. Once you choose the correct person, their name automatically fills in the space, showing everyone on the team who is responsible for what. You also have the flexibility to provide additional context by clicking on Add a Description. This allows you to give more detail about the task or include specific instructions. Adding detailed descriptions can be beneficial, as it ensures that the assignee has a clear understanding of what's expected, reducing the need for back and forth communication. Finally, don't forget to address deadlines. Click on Date to set a due date for the task. Deadlines are a crucial part of project management as they help keep everyone on track and ensure that projects are completed in a timely manner. After selecting a date, make sure to save your changes to ensure that all updates are recorded and visible to your team. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently assign tasks and manage your team's workflow within Wrike. Remember, successful project management requires clear communication and timely updates, so make sure to revisit your tasks and assignments regularly. Stay organized and happy managing.